Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. So guys, Born Pretty sent me another one of these all-in-one quick building kits. It's the nail tips and glue gel kit. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys again what's included in this kit. So let me get it open. I've already opened the seal on the box. So I'm going to show you what all is included in the kit, and then I'm going to show you how I apply these types of products on myself. So first thing we get is a file. Then we get 2 packs of these French nail tip guides. And I like these guys. I really like these. These make French so easy. Next, we get a chrome powder, and this is a metallic red chrome powder, guys. Next thing in the kit, we have our mini lamp with the power cord, and we also get a 6-in-1 nail glue gel. I love this nail glue gel, guys. Like, I use it on almost every set. If I'm not using it to apply my tips, I'm using it as a nail strengthener, and it works. Next, we get a huge bag of tips here. Now, I'm not going to be taking these tips out of this bag to show you what's included. I'm just going to show you the different tips that are included from the kit that I already received. So this is my second kit. So I already have the tips put away in this foil box. So let me open it up and I'll show you the different tips that are in that bag. So first we have this, is this medium coffin or would this be long coffin? So, and these are full cover tips, and you get 2 little baggies of these tips. Next up, we have these long coffins. So these are either long or XL, I'm not sure. But yeah, and these are full cover as well. Next, we get some square half tips. And these look like they're XL or XXL. They're long, ladies, they're long. So we get those. Next up, oh, that's just the leftovers from the square there. Next, we get these regular coffin tips in clear. And these are medium coffin or long. I'm not good with the sizes. And then we get these C-curve coffin tips in clear as well. So that's 5 different types of tips you receive in that pack. So this is everything that you receive in the kit, guys. Let me get these back in the box, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I would apply some of these full cover tips to my own nails using the Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue gel, of course. And there we go. So now, guys, let me grab. Okay, so I've already prepped my nails for the application, and yeah, cuticles prepped, nail beds buffed. And I'm showing you here that one of my nails actually broke, but it broke in such a way that it's still attached, and I really don't want to try to remove it and then hurt myself, because yeah, that would end up happening. So this is actually a great way, if you have a situation like that, to allow your nail to grow out enough so you can remove the torn part of the nail. So that's working out perfectly for me today. So I've gone ahead and plugged out my Born Pretty mini lamp. I've selected my sizes for the tips. And I put the lamp on top of the tip box just to give it a bit more height, to make it more comfortable for me to stick my finger under there when I'm applying. But guys, now when you're sizing out your tips, I recommend, well, it is recommended that you just lay the tip on top of your nail bed. You don't squeeze the tip down, just lay it there. Make sure it covers sidewall to sidewall. There should be visible space between your nail and the tip, because there needs to be a space for the nail glue gel, right? So make sure you don't press the nail down on your nail bed when you're checking your size. Just rest it there and check that it is from sidewall to sidewall. Also, if you're not sure about a size, just size up. You can always file and shape whatever you need to file and shape off of the tip. But yeah, so I have my nail glue gel ready. Just checking the lamp. Now, this is not the type of lamp that you can turn on and off. Once you turn it on, it stays on for 60 seconds. It's a 60-second lamp. Now, this is how I like to do mine. I like to apply just a very thin layer of the nail glue gel on my natural nails, and then give that a full 60-second cure. And I'm gonna do this on all my nails. Now guys, when you're applying gel products, if you get any of the gel on your skin, just ensure that it's removed before you cure. You don't want to cure gel on your skin, guys. And lastly, my pinky. So there we have it, you guys. A very thin layer applied on all my nail beds, and this acts. It's a 6-in-1 glue gel. One of the uses is as base coat, so this is my base layer. Now we're gonna go ahead and start applying the tips. Now, how I apply the tips, this is just one method. Some people like to etch their tips. You don't really have to do that. So what I'm doing here is I'm just making sure I paint some of the gel in the tip where the nail bed area is, and I also make sure there's a little extra gel in there as well. And then you put the tip at the cuticle area of your nail, and then you press down, bringing the gel forward until it hits your free edge, and then you cure. Yeah, I'm clumsy with these lamps. Forgive me for that. I'll get it right eventually. But yeah, there we go. So we cure that. Now with this, you can give it a 10-second cure just to make sure the tip is adhered to the nail, and then go ahead and do the rest of the nails and then give yourself a full 60-second cure in your nail lamp, or you can just leave it there for the 60 seconds to cure. Which is what I'm doing. And I still do, even though I do that, I still give my nails a full 60-second cure after I've made sure they're all applied. No, what I'm doing here is just checking to make sure there's none of the nail gel glue touching my skin. And then we're gonna go ahead and move on to the second tip. And I'm gonna be speeding up this portion, guys, because it's just repetitive. I'm doing the same thing with all the tips, all the nails. Okay guys, now look at this. This finger is an example of what not to do. So on this finger at the free edge there, you can see that the glue hasn't made it all the way to the tip of my natural nail. So there's a big space there between the tip and the nail bed. Also, I have a lot of glue spilling out in the cuticle area. So this is a what not to do nail. Like, I'm gonna have to remove this one and reapply it. But yeah guys, so this is a what not to do nail. But I don't mind making mistakes. We learn from our mistakes, and yeah, I've been using this type of product for a while and I'm still making mistakes, so there you go. Now let's finally do our pinky, or my pinky. And the pinky is the easiest nail to do because it's so small. No struggle. So now while this finger is curing, guys, well, there we have it. They're all applied, even though the ring finger is messed up and I'll have to fix it. But moving on. So because I got this second nail tips and glue kit from Born Pretty, guys, we decided to do a giveaway. So we're going to be giving away that kit. And this giveaway will run from today until, let me get a date. Guys, so the giveaway will run from today until the 2nd of September. So you have over a week to enter the giveaway. To enter, just put hashtag Nat's Born Pretty giveaway. So yeah, that's hashtag Born Pretty giveaway, and that comment will only work on this video. So go ahead and hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed and I can see that you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, then you can't enter the giveaway. So make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload more videos, and you'll be notified when I select the winner for this giveaway. So hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed, hit the notification bell, make sure I can see you're subscribed. Make sure you comment hashtag Nat's Born Pretty giveaway in the comment box of this video, and that will be your entry into this giveaway. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys know I love Born Pretty products. I enjoy working with them. I enjoy working with all their gel any product they send to me. I love Born Pretty products. It's a company I really enjoy, so definitely check out Born Pretty. I'll link their website and their YouTube, their Instagram. I'll link their social media, etc. in the description box as well, so you guys can check them out, follow and subscribe. And yeah, good luck for those who enter the giveaway. And I really do appreciate Born Pretty for sponsoring this giveaway with this product. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.